Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is alimentary canal or parts of alimentary canal. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is alimentary canal and parts of alimentary canal. So topic is alimentary canal. Students, we studied in previous online classes some introduction of digestive system. Mostly two parts of digestive system. First is alimentary canal, second is digestive glands. So alimentary canal is a part of digestive system. First, it is a part of digestive system. It means group of organ. It means if complex food material convert into small food material, which process is called digestion, and in this process participate some specific organs. It is called digestive organ. When the participate organs proper binded and forms a specific system, it is called digestive system. So part next is part of alimentary canal. First is mouth. Students, it is a first part of alimentary canal, or it is a anterior part of alimentary canal. Next is mouth. Mouth covered two fleshy lips. First is upper, second is lower lips. Next, lips help in open and close of mouth, and second, catch the food. It means first is catch the food, second help or control of open and close of mouth. Next is mouth open bowl shaped cavity is called buccal cavity. Next, buccal cavity, it is bowl shaped cavity. Buccal cavity to have two cleft. First is hard cleft, Second is soft cleft. Hard cleft located in upper side of buccal cavity. Soft cleft is located in lower side of buccal cavity. Next is mouth or buccal cavity to have many structure. First is tongue, second is teeth. First of all, tongue. It is a muscular structure or it is a muscular fleshy structure. Next, tongue attach to dorsal wall of buccal cavity, frenulum lingual. It means human's tongue bind or attach to dorsal wall of buccal cavity is frenulum lingual. Next, tongue to have taste buds, mostly 4 taste buds found on tongue. First is related to sweet, related to sour, next related to salty, next related to bitter. It means tongue to have 4 taste buds. Next part is teeth. Second is teeth. It is a hard and strong structure of buccal cavity. First is next, all teeth are located in a cope. It means socket found in the jaw. It is called gum. Once again, all teeth are located in a cope or socket of jaw, such or it is called gum. Next is jaw, mostly 2. First is upper jaw, located in upper side of buccal cavity. Next is lower jaw, located in lower side of buccal cavity. Next is human teeth. Characters. First is thecodont. Students, human teeth located a cope or socket of jaw. So it is called thecodont teeth. Next is diphyodont. It means two: monophyodont, diphyodont and polyphyodont, but human teeth is diphyodont. Human teeth grow 2 times in whole lifespan. So first is milk teeth, second is permanent teeth. In humans, 20 milk teeth. Third is heterodont. It means different, it means teeth. Human all teeth are different in shape and size, so it is called heterodont. Next is dental formula of human is: first incisor, second teeth is canines, third is premolar, next is molar. Dental formula is humans is 2 1 2 2 1 2 3. Multiply by 2 because humans have two jaw, upper and lower jaw. Humans teeth are located in both jaw, upper and lower. So 2 2 4 multiply by 2, so 8 1 1 2 4 2 2 4 multiply by 2, it means 8 3 3 6 2 12. It means incisor numbers in 8, canines number in 4, premolars numbers in 8, molars number in 12. First is incisors. First is number is 8. Next is location: anterior of buccal cavity, or front of buccal cavity. Next is function: is cutting and nibbling food. Second is canines. First is number is 4. Next location: lateral part of incisor. Next, students, canines well developed in carnivorous animals. It means some organism, some animals to take food another animals, like dog. Dogs canines are well developed and length is long comparative to other teeth. Next is function of canines is tear and chop the food. Once again, tear and chop the food. Canines well developed or more developed in carnivorous. Next is premolar. First is number is 8. Next is location between canines and molar or in front of molar. In front of molars. Next is function of premolar is chewing the food. Once again, they are helpful in chewing the food. Last is molars. First is number is 12. Next is function. They are helpful in chewing the food. So premolars and molars function are same, is chewing the food. So students, human have 4 type teeth. First, incisors, canines, premolar and molars. So thanks, have a nice day.